Realme C65 confirmed to launch on April 4th, upcoming model in two color options, Galaxy Black and Violet. The design looks similar to the current Samsung Galaxy phones. The power button and volume rocker are present on the right edge. The fingerprint sensor could be embedded in the power button. The Realme C65 will pack a centered punch hole display and come with the dynamic button feature we first saw on the Realme 12 5G. Realme C65 will feature a 6.72-inch IPS LCD screen. Realme C65 is equipped with MediaTek Dimensity 6020, 4GB of RAM. The phone would run on Android 14 based Realme UI 5.0 custom skin out of the box. The Realme C65 is expected to offer 4G LTE connectivity. Realme C65 is expected to come with a 50-megapixel primary camera and 8-megapixel selfie camera. Realme C65 is expected to come with a 5000 mAh battery with 45W supercharging tech. Alongside launching in Vietnam, the Realme C65 will also be available in the Philippines, Malaysia, Bangladesh, and Indonesia soon. A note from Realme Vice President Chase Su confirmed. The Realme C65 will be available at retail stores in Vietnam from April 2nd. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.